अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं ऐसे राइटिंग ऑन लाइंग इन इंग्लिश 500 वर्ड्स। लाइंग इज़ अ वेरी डिस्पीकेबल एक्ट। डिस्पीकेबल यानी कि हकीर। एक्ट कहते हैं अमल को और लाइंग झूठ बोलना। People lie for various reasons. Some lie for love, some for revenge, and some for no reason at all. However, I also believe that no matter how you tweak it, a lie is a lie. झूठ झूठ होता है. It is the worst form of deception and is unacceptable. Unacceptable यानी कि जो चीज़ काबिल कबूल ना हो. Allah Almighty has declared lying as a great sin. During the time of the Prophet, peace be upon him, a person came to him and said, I want to convert to Islam, but there are many evils in me that I cannot leave. Tell me, if I give up one evil, I will give it up. You said to that person, stop telling lies. That person made a promise and stopped telling lies. This gives a lesson on how bad it is to lie. It is a fact that lies lead to more lies. When a person tells a lie for any reason, he has to tell many other lies to cover up that lie. Lying has no moral basis or right basis. While lies may benefit people in the short term, their long term effects are never good for them. This is because a person has to lie many times in life to cover up a false statement made by that person earlier in life. Another fact about lying is that it takes many other people to lie to protect the liar. A liar not only commits the unethical act of lying himself but also forces his friends and family members to do the same to lift their cover to avoid worse situations. Instead of bringing any long term relief, lies make one's life very difficult and troublesome. Why are lies told? झूठ क्यों बोला जाता है? There are some reasons why people lie. For example, sometimes people tell lies to hide their wrongdoing because they are afraid that if their wrongdoing is revealed and the truth of the wrongdoing comes out, then in this case no one will respect them among people. Sometimes people also lie to maintain their prestige. For example, they don't have wealth, a car, a house, or a bank balance, but people tell their friends, boyfriends, and girlfriends. They lie to impress that they have wealth, cars, houses, and bank balances. Sometimes people are forced by their habits and they tell lies. कभी कभार लोग अपनी आदत से मजबूर होते हैं, इसलिए वो झूठ बोलते हैं. Such people lie about of habit. This type of lie is often told on TV talk shows, such as understating or overstating the number of attendees of political rallies. The saddest aspect of this is that everyone understands that a lie is being told, but no one dares to say that the servants of Allah do not lie. There are countless other types of lies. The more you think, the more lies you will find. Conclusion: lying has many negative effects on the life of the liar. In addition to affecting relationships, lies also lead to more lies and waste the life's time and energy in an affair. So lying is never right. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you.